A radiator cooling system is an essential component in most internal combustion engines, designed to regulate engine temperature and prevent overheating. Here's how it works. 1. Heat absorption. The cooling process begins when the engine operates and generates heat. A coolant, usually a mixture of water and antifreeze, flows through passages in the engine block and cylinder head. As it circulates, the coolant absorbs heat from the engine. 2. Coolant circulation to the radiator. Once the coolant is heated, it is pumped to the radiator through hoses by a water pump. The radiator is typically located at the front of the vehicle to maximize exposure to airflow. 3. Heat dissipation. The radiator consists of a series of thin metal fins and tubes. As the heated coolant passes through these tubes, the radiator releases the heat into the surrounding air. Fans or natural airflow help expedite the cooling process. 4. Thermostat regulation. A thermostat in the system monitors the coolant temperature. If the coolant is too hot, the thermostat opens to allow more coolant to flow into the radiator for cooling. When the coolant temperature drops, the thermostat closes to maintain an optimal engine temperature. 5. Coolant recirculation. Once the coolant has cooled down in the radiator, it flows back into the engine block to absorb more heat, completing the cycle. Additional components. Overflow tank. Excess coolant expands into the overflow tank and is drawn back into the system when the engine cools. Cooling fans. Electric or mechanical fans ensure efficient airflow over the radiator when the vehicle is stationary or moving slowly. 5-minute video.